Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. And on the channel today we'll be talking about different types of fabrics and their uses that every beginner must know. So if this is what you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, turn on your notification bells, comment, and let's get started. So guys, the first fabric on our list is called the flannel. Most of you already know it, and this is a soft brush fabric suitable for cold weather clothing and home essentials. Now it's commonly used to make shirts, pajamas, and so on. The next on our list is the tweed. Now, this fabric is typically made from wool and sometimes blended with fiber. It is rougher to touch and heavier and way thicker than the flannel. And you can use this tweed fabric to make your suits, your jackets, your shirts, skirts, coats, caps, and so on and so forth. Now, the next fabric on our list is called the jersey, and this is a soft, stretchy, lightweight knitted fabric known for comfort and versatility. Now, you can use it to make your t-shirts, your polo, dresses, and skirts, and sportswear, and so on. Next on the list, we have the velvet fabric. Now, this is a rich, soft, and luxurious fabric. It drapes so beautifully and it's perfect for formal wears and home decors. You can use it to make evening gowns, your dresses, your jackets, blazers, upholstery and curtains, handbags, decorative pillows, and so on and so forth. Next, we'll be looking at the silk fabric, and this is a luxurious natural fiber, smooth, soft, shiny on both sides, and it is delicate and prone to snagging. And you can use this, you can use it to make your scarves, your lingerie, evening dresses, shirts, luxury beddings, and more. Next, we'll be looking at the satin. The satin is not a fiber like the silk, but a weave type. It is shiny and smooth on one side with a dull finish on the other side. And you can use this satin to make dresses, especially bridal dresses. You can use it to make your shirts, you can use it to make lingerie, shoes, bags, and so many other accessories. Next, we'll be looking at the brocade. And this is a richly patterned, elegant fabric known for its raised designs and luxurious feel, often used in high-end fashion and home decors. And you can use this fabric to make gowns, kimono jackets, decorative pillows, upholsteries, shoes, bags, and so on. Next on our list is the crepe fabric, and this is one of the most commonly used fabrics by designers and is a chic textured material that adds elegance and movement to garments, making it a staple for both formal and everyday fashion. And you can use the crepe fabric to make dresses ranging from any kind of dress to blouses, skirts, bridal wear, suits, and so much more. Next, we'll be looking at the organza, and this is a lightweight sheer crisp fabric. It is a highly see-through, thin, and delicate fabric, and you can use it to make wedding or astrolabe dresses, veils, curtains, gift wrappings, and designed on your dresses and more. Next on our list is the lace fabric, and this is a delicate open weave fabric with intricate patterns and designs often made from thread or yarn. You can use the lace fabric to make wedding gowns, evening dresses, veils, tablecloth, curtains, and etc. The next fabric on our list is the denim fabric, popularly known as jeans. And this is a durable, heavyweight cotton fabric known for its comfort, strength, and classic appeal. And you can use this to make jeans and pants, jackets, shirts, skirts, bags, and just basically any other thing that you want to use it for. It's okay. Next on our list is the tulle, or popularly known as the net fabric. And this is a sheer delicate fabric with a lightweight net texture, often used to create or add elegant touch to your design. And you can use this to make wedding dresses, evening gowns, blouses, shirt designs, curtains, home decor, and so on. Next on the list is the chiffon fabric, and this is a very graceful and lightweight fabric, and it allows light and air to pass through the fabric easily. It is very common and drapes beautifully. Now you can use this fabric to make just about anything. It is very common to designers and it is very cheap to and easy to access. Next, we have the cotton fabric, and this is a natural, soft, and lightweight textile fabric made from the fibers of the cotton plant. It is one of the most widely used fabrics in the whole world, and you can use it to make t-shirts, you can use it to make casual wears, you can use it to make beddings, dresses, tablecloths, and so much more. And the last on our list is the linen fabric. Now, this is also a natural lightweight textile fabric made from the fibers of the flax plant, known for its strength. Now, you can use this to make your summer clothes, your shirts, your trousers, your pants, napkins, your towels, curtains, and so much more. And thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell for when we upload more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.